Oh God, a girl's dizzy, but a girl was having fun. You have pink hair, you just like to goof around and act silly. Anyways, hi everybody, and welcome back to Cola's Destiny. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to the channel and please turn on your notifications so that you will be a part of the positive gang and you'll see when I post a new video. So today's video will be a review. It's a review for a Canadian-based company called the Jah Collection. So the Jah Collection sells hair extensions, hair accessories. She sells lashes, she sells tweezers, and I think she's working on some adhesive. So I was sent 4 different pairs of lashes to review, from I guess shorter to longer, fluffy, but she does have a lot more styles on her website, so go ahead and check her out. We're going to get right into this video, and I will be putting on each lash to show you how they look on my eyes. My eyes. These eyes. Okay, so this is a lash that I actually didn't think I would like, and I absolutely love it. So this one is actually called Keys. And Keys is, I thought was going to be short on me, but it's short and fluffy. It kind of reminds me of when you get your individual lashes done in a more fluffy state. This is what it reminds me of. So this is Keys. And on my other side, yeah, I did 2 different ones. On my other side, I'm wearing Kimmy. And Kimmy is what I thought I would like, but I like this one better. So this is Kimmy. Not as fluffy, but still pretty. And this is Kimmy. So this is Kimmy, and this is Keys. Now for my beautiful ladies who like them very fluffy and full, this set is called Abby. Very fluffy, very full, very thick. And this one here is called Khia. This one also reminds me of when you get your lashes individually done and you ask for a more long and natural set. This is what it reminds me of. Full and long and curled. I love it. This one is my favorite. This one is my absolute favorite. So this is Abby, and this is Khia. And there's a difference. Can you see? One is very fluffy and the other one isn't. So this one is my favorite. So with all 4 lashes provided to me, the band was very flexible, it was easy to apply, the wear was very comfortable, and the packaging was also cute. So I want to give a special shout out to the Jah Collection. Miss Jackie, you're the best, you're a boss. She also provided me with this cup. It says all natural, which I'm not, because clearly I have pink hair. But I love the cup nonetheless. And I'll be drinking my tea out of there. Thank you, Miss Jackie.